about this opportunity. It's about this moment. All I want is your best.
One to the left. Lots of time.
Indianapolis Colts, 6th play of the next possession of the Saints. Here's Lance Moore, wide open, nice move. 21-yard gain down to the Colts, 23. And needing some points in a hurry to stop the momentum from wearing a blue shirt. And then Drew Brees finds Marcus Colston. You thought Manning was going to get this done. Here comes Tracy Porter with the pick.
What a great read.
Realizing the dream of so many New Orleanians and so many folks who have been rooting for the Saints, waiting for this to happen. Drew Brees with a 32 for 39 night for 288.
Glanced, it looked to me like New Orleans was the better team. And I still believe New Orleans, even on the road, is a little better than Carolina. Which brings me to Sean Payton, New Orleans coach. I believe he blew that game. Now, obviously, he was sending urgent messages, as you said in the week leading up to the game. Cut your long-time kicker, demote your left tackle. We have to go on the road, and we have to be different on the road this time, because they were 3-4 going into the game. But this time, I felt like Sean Payton went out of his way to show the world what a genius he is. And he does get a little full of himself.
But let me be very, very clear. I believe that Sean Payton cost the New Orleans Saints possibly a Super Bowl championship this season. I believe Sean Payton definitely caused them, I think he definitely caused them a berth to the Super Bowl.
Saints
with
pick.
the 13th pick in the 2015 NFL Draft, the New Orleans Saints select Andrus Peat, tackle Stanford. With the 31st pick in the 2015
Run, boy, run. This world is not meant for you. Run, boy, run. They're trying to catch you. Run, boy, run. Running is a victory. Run, boy, run. Beauty lies behind the hills. Run, boy, run. The sun will be guiding you. Run,
I think we're competing well right now.
According to Adam Schefter, New Orleans is a free society. His trace is a prophecy. Run, boy, run. Break out from society. Always another day, hey, and you don't have to hide away, yeah. You'll be a man, boy, but for now it's time to run, it's time to run. Run, boy, run. This life is a journey to run, boy, run. The secret inside of you, run, boy, run. This race is a prophecy, run, boy, run. And disappear in the trees.
More victories on their resume
Yep.
for this season. For all intent and purposes, they would have home field advantage. And if they had home field advantage and the road to the Super Bowl had to come through New Orleans, I'd put my money on the Saints. I say to you what I just said about Sean Payton because of two reasons: New England and yesterday. And in both instances, with the game on the line, he took the ball out of Drew Brees' hands.
From the top, one, where do you worry? Where's all my take? Where do you come? Hey, where's all one? Where do you worry? Where's all my take? Where do you come? Hey, where's all one? Where do you worry? Where's all my take? Where do you come? Hey, where's all one? Where do you worry?
New Orleans, the heart of the city's in the Superdome. We wear black and gold, and we make them say,
uniform, leave your blue, black, who that? Black and gold team, New Orleans, yeah, who that? Feed a teaspoon of defeat, yeah, who that? Drop round straight through the breeze, yeah, who that? Ain't a drop of booster, we done drunk it all, who that? It gets so loud in my house, the quarterback had to call a timeout. I'm back, boy.
Hey, yo, the Saints is gon' win it. Go Super Bowl and let's kill it. We don't care what team or what city. Say we don't care what team or what city.
Everything's all goody, yeah, we just scored a touchdown, my drinks on footy. And where we at, we in that dome, in that zone, in that zone. This our home and the Saints our team, cause this is New Orleans. Who that said they gon' be New Orleans? Black and gold, go marching in now. Who that said they gon' be New Orleans? Beat New Orleans, beat New Orleans. I'm a New Orleans Saints fan. New Orleans Saints, I'm a New Orleans Saints fan. Go, go, go Saints, go, 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 go Saints, go.
in New Orleans, the heart of the city's in the Superdome. We wear black and gold, and we make them say,
Allegiant feels better and let them up in the door. From uptown to Metairie, heavily with the flow. Gentilly to West Bank. Saints the best thing that happened to Southern living or giving no test, man. I got a squad that I lock down. Any opponent get knocked down. Wreck got the block now. New Orleans, this is my town. Home of the dome, black and gold. Watch how we stop clowns. Bludgeon foes get explode so they blew black. Get your team blue back. Partner, this is who that. Nation of made men, we survivalists. Blazing men, obvious competition won't back. Certainly, flirtily held high. Murder these 3rd degrees, heard a breeze, tell them why. Thunder in every blow, destiny in the name. Legend in every foe, we the best in the game.